Hello and welcome to IMG Helping Hands. Today, we're giving you a detailed guide for the USMLE Step 2 CK exam. This is a vital exam for international medical graduates, or IMGs, who want to pursue a medical career in the United States. We'll walk through everything from the exam basics, important study resources, and how IMG Helping Hands can provide structured courses, guidance, and financial help to make your preparation smoother and more effective. To begin with the basics, the USMLE Step 2 CK exam is designed to test your advanced medical knowledge and clinical skills. It's a practical, patient-centered exam that assesses how well you can apply clinical knowledge to real-life scenarios. This test covers a wide range of subjects, from internal medicine and surgery to pediatrics, psychiatry, and beyond, all of which are crucial in preparing you to treat patients in real-world situations. The Step 2 CK exam covers key clinical areas that are essential for working as a doctor in the U.S. core subjects include internal medicine, surgery, psychiatry, and others like preventive and emergency medicine. For IMGs, it's especially important to understand these topics well and know how to apply them to patient cases. IMG Helping Hands offers a structured course designed to help IMGs succeed in Step 2 CK. Their program includes detailed study plans to cover every subject fully, with live online classes, recorded lectures, quizzes, and full-length practice exams to help you get comfortable with the exam format and content. Choosing the right study materials can make a huge difference in your Step 2 CK score. Some top resources include the UWorld Question Bank, First Aid for Step 2 CK, and Kaplan Notes. IMG Helping Hands provides discounted access to these resources, so you can have what you need without overspending. For IMGs, submitting a complete application for Step 2 CK is essential. IMG Helping Hands offers help with your application forms, reviews all required documents, and provides scholarships to help with exam costs, making it easier for you to focus on your preparation. A lot of IMGs make common mistakes like missing documents, not practicing timed questions, or skipping over weak areas. To avoid these, it's crucial to be organized with documentation, practice under timed conditions, and review any topics you find difficult. IMG Helping Hands mentors can help you spot these areas and guide you in strengthening them. Preparing for Step 2 CK is all about balance, balancing study time, practicing timed exams, and taking care of yourself. IMG Helping Hands suggests focusing on your weaker areas, taking regular practice exams, and keeping a healthy lifestyle. Thanks for watching. We know that preparing for Step 2 CK can feel overwhelming, but with the right support, it's absolutely possible. Whether it's study plans, resources, or financial assistance, IMG Helping Hands is here to guide you every step of the way. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more helpful videos. Best of luck with your Step 2 CK journey.